Did you know your phone can be more than just social media and video games? People are actually making real money using nothing but their phones. If you're even wondering how people are earning straight from their phones, no laptop, no fancy setup, no office, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 real ways to make money using just your smartphone. These side hustles are beginner-friendly, flexible, and perfect for anyone who wants to make extra income, even if you're just getting started. So grab your phone, take a few notes, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly which side hustle fits you best. 1 is selling digital products. The first and my personal favorite is selling digital products. Now, what's amazing about digital products is that you create something once, upload it online, and sell it over and over again, and that makes a passive income. The best example is ebooks. You can create ebooks right on your phone using Canva. Just open the Canva app, select an ebook template, add your content, and you can create your content using ChatGPT. You all know how to use ChatGPT. Please click the link in the description and join ChatGPT. Your content could be about fitness, self-care, recipes, motivation, or money tips. And in a few hours, you'll have a beautiful digital product ready to sell. Once your ebook is ready, upload it to Amazon KDP. That's Kindle Direct Publishing. It's free to join, and Amazon handles all the payments and delivery. Each time someone buys your book or your ebook, you earn royalties, usually between 35 to 70%. Even if you sell a $4 ebook and get just 50 sales per month, that's over $200 passive income from one digital product. Now imagine having 5 or 10 of those. Start with a short ebook, for example, 10 to 15 pages, and focus on a topic you already know or love. You don't need to be an expert, just be helpful. That's the power of selling digital products. You create them once and then you earn forever from the income. Then the second method is content creation. Now this one is a big one. Content creation, if you enjoy creating videos, sharing your lifestyle, or teaching something, you can turn that into serious income using just your phone. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels let anyone build an audience and get paid through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Here's an example. Let's say you start a TikTok page sharing simple budgeting or skincare tips. As your views grow, brands in that niche may reach out to sponsor your content. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, you can apply for monetization and start earning ad revenue from your videos. I started with just my phone camera, no expensive gear, and that's what I love about content creation. You grow your brand and earn at the same time. So provided you stay consistent, post 3 to 5 times per week and focus on one topic you enjoy talking about. The third method is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest online income streams because you don't need to create your own product. Instead, you promote other people's products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. And here's an example. You sign up for Amazon Associates, you choose a product, let's say a fitness app or a book, and you get your unique affiliate link. Then you share that link in your TikTok bio, YouTube video description, or WhatsApp groups. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a small percentage, sometimes 5%, sometimes even 50%. If 20 people buy a $20 product with a 25% commission, that's $100 without selling anything yourself. Focus on promoting products you genuinely use or trust. That builds credibility and long-term followers. The fourth method is online tutoring and skill sharing. If you're good at something, whether it's English, graphic design, video editing, or even baking. You can teach it to others and earn money straight from your phone. Platforms like Skillshare make it super easy to share your knowledge by creating short, helpful video lessons that people around the world can watch and learn from. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just passionate about what you know and willing to explain it clearly. For example, you can record a simple class using your phone's camera, upload it to Skillshare, and start earning every time students watch your lessons. The more classes you create and the more students you attract, the more passive income you can build over time. So focus on topics that are in high demand, like productivity, freelancing, or digital skills. Keep your videos clear, engaging, and easy to follow. If you're ready to turn your skills into income, click the Skillshare link in the description to get started today. You'll get a free trial to explore the platform, and once you publish your first class, you can start earning every time someone watches your lessons. Don't wait, your knowledge could be your next source of income. And finally, investing and trading. You can trade from your phone using Pepperstone app, which is one of the most trusted trading platforms for both beginners and experienced traders. You've probably seen people making profits trading forex, stocks, or crypto directly from their phones. And yes, it's absolutely possible. Pepperstone makes it super easy to start, even if you're completely new to trading. But here's the best advice. Always start with a demo account first. Pepperstone gives you a free demo account loaded with $50,000 in virtual funds, so you can practice trading in real market conditions without risking any of your own money. This is the best way to learn how the markets move, test different strategies, and get comfortable placing trades before you go live. Once you're confident and understand the basics, you can switch to a live account and start small. Even if you just start with $10 or $20, then grow gradually as your skills improve. If you want to start practicing today, click Pepperstone link in the description to create your free demo account. Then you'll instantly get $50,000 in virtual funds to train. Test and gain confidence before trading with real money. It's the smartest and the safest way to start your trading journey right from your phone. Learn the fundamentals first, how to read candlesticks charts, identify trends, and set stop loss or take profit limits to protect your funds. Remember, trading involves risks, so treat it like a skill to master, not a gamble to win. And there you have it, 5 real ways you can start making money online right from your phone. The best part, you don't need fancy equipment or a big budget, just your phone, consistency, and little creativity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance, and until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and keep building a life of financial freedom.